let's just say Mitch Payton looked like an absolute genius right here with his fill and ride. Ty Masterpool at High Point gets his first ever, I think it's maybe outdoors. I don't know if it's Supercross, but first ever MX win. And not only that, the 300th win for Kawasaki, or at least for Pro Circuit Kawasaki. So you gotta say, with all the big names, Faulkner, McAdoo, Hammaker, Shimoda that have run, all these people have run through here. Obviously, Shimoda's not on the team at the moment, but all the big names, everybody, the fill-in rider, the guy moving down from 450 to the 250, the 3 or 4 years of privateer running, it's finally paid off for him, putting in the work, putting in the time, and he's got the spoils now. I mean, obviously, that's a nice big bonus check, and it's gonna make him this year, at least. I'm gonna say this year is gonna make people look at him as somebody that needs a factory ride, or at least a backed ride. He's doing really, really well on a bike that he just got on third weekend, and he's winning. Going, was it 2-1 that he went today? So like, it wasn't even like he just get a random win and then did bad the first race. No, he is looking good. And for Pro Circuit, this is awesome. I mean, obviously, Kitchen was probably the guy that you wanted to expect to come out here and challenge Deegan or challenge whoever for the championship for the win. And he kind of looks like he's nowhere. Uh, and you got this guy who just comes in, fill and ride. Hey, yeah, I'll take one of those seats for all the people that are injured on your team who are always injured. And to do it, good for him. Come out, show off, look fast, and this is I say this is gonna earn him a ride. If he continues how he's looking so far for the rest of the summer, next Supercross season, next year, he's gonna have a ride. Somebody's gonna have to look at this and be like, okay, who's signing him? Whether he stays with Pro Circuit or he goes to a different team, somebody's gonna give him a bike. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Did you watch the race? Did you like it? Who do you think wins the 250 title, the 450 title, whatever it is? If you're going to a race, tell me which one. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.